Disassembling the computer system. Undo the screws on the back of the case. Remove the cover. Remove power connectors connected to the motherboard. Now remove the screws of the power supply at the back of the cabinet. Easily remove the power supply. Remove SATA cable. Remove the memory module. Remove the screw that holds the card in place. And then remove the video card. Remove front panel connectors. Unscrew the hard disk drive. Unscrew the screws that holds the motherboard. This is the motherboard with the processor built in. Video card. Random access memory. Disk drive. SATA cable. The next, assembling the computer system. Motherboard is to be fixed vertically in the tower case and the screws are fixed from behind on the motherboard. Tighten the motherboard with screws. Now line up the power supply at the top back end of the cabinet and screw it. The power connectors for motherboard power supply are to be connected. Mount the memory module on the motherboard by aligning the RAM to its socket. Connect the front panel connector to the motherboard. This is the front panel USB port. Front panel audio port. Install the video card to the PCIe expansion slot in the motherboard. Tighten with a screw. Place the hard disk drive on the disk tray. Tighten with a screw. Put the SATA power connector to the hard disk drive. Connect the SATA cable in the hard disk drive. And then to the motherboard. Cover the tower by placing it and pressing towards front side and screw it.